The green wire in an HVAC system is the dedicated fan control conductor that signals the furnace or air handler to run the blower. The green conductor connects the thermostat G terminal to the system control board and completes a simple low-voltage circuit that tells the blower motor to operate independently of heating or cooling calls. When the thermostat closes the G circuit, a 24-volt signal reaches the control board relay or the fan relay on the air handler, energizing the motor contactor or the fan relay coil and causing the blower to run at its programmed speed. Many modern systems use a blower control module or fan center. This is a small board inside the air handler that interprets the green signal and engages the appropriate fan speed. Tap on the motor or variable speed control. For variable speed motors and smart thermostats, the green signal still performs the basic fan on request, but the control board and motor controller may manage ramping, speed, and runtime for efficiency and comfort. When testing, measure continuity between the thermostat G terminal and the control board G terminal with power off, and check for a 24-volt signal with the system powered and the thermostat fan set to on. Always turn off main power before touching wiring, and if the control board uses screw terminals, tighten gently to avoid breaking the thin stranded wire. Common issues include a loose terminal connection that causes intermittent blower operation. Solution: power down and resecure the green conductor at both thermostat and control board, trimming and reterminating if strands are frayed. Second, corrosion or pinched cable inside wall chases can break continuity. Solution: trace and replace the run or add a new 4-conductor cable to ensure reliable signaling. Third, mistaken wiring at multi-stage or heat pump systems where G may be tied into other fan control logic. Solution: consult the system wiring diagram or a technician and isolate the fan control logic, using the schematic to verify whether the green conductor should be dedicated or routed through an interlock. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with screened local contractors who handle HVAC diagnostics, wiring, and repairs, making it easier to find professionals who understand fan control circuits. The site also helps contractors generate leads by listing verified service opportunities in their service area.